Are you ready to level up your marketing game? Today, we're unlocking the advanced features of Go HighLevel that can truly transform your online business strategy. Let's get started. Go HighLevel isn't just a CRM, it's a powerhouse for advanced marketing strategies. Let's explore these features together. First up, automation. Go HighLevel's automation capabilities go beyond basic email sequences. We're talking about sophisticated workflows that respond dynamically to customer interactions. Imagine creating a custom workflow that nurtures leads based on their specific actions. With Go HighLevel, it's not just possible, it's simple. Now let's talk about personalization. In a digital world, personal touches make a huge difference. Go HighLevel's personalization tools allow you to tailor messages based on customer data. This means more engagement and better conversion rates. Data is king, and Go HighLevel wears the crown. The platform's advanced reporting features give you insights that are not just numbers, but stories about your audience's behavior. But what about scalability? That's where Go HighLevel truly shines. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing agency, Go HighLevel scales with you. It's a multi-tiered approach, which means you can expand your operations without missing a beat. And for those who love integrations, Go HighLevel plays well with others. From Zapier to your favorite webinar tools, it integrates seamlessly, making your life easier. Integrate, automate, and dominate. That's the Go HighLevel way. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about community support. Go HighLevel isn't just a tool, it's a community of forward thinkers just like you. Join forums, share insights, and grow together. That's the power of community. There you have it, folks. Go HighLevel's advanced features are key to your next level marketing success. Dive in, explore, and watch your business soar. And before we say goodbye, I have something special for you. If you're looking to amplify your results with Go HighLevel, don't miss out on my free online growth playbook. It's packed with training materials, lead generation techniques, and a snapshot to kickstart your journey on this incredible platform. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this playbook is your roadmap to success. Grab your copy at the link below as well as in the description. It's time to supercharge your online business. So what are you waiting for? Let's rock online together with Go HighLevel. Click the link, get your playbook, and join the community of achievers who are making it big. It's time. Come join me with Go HighLevel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights and strategies. Until next time, keep rocking online.